Hi, I'm Matt from Delphi, and today we're going to look at replacing the air filter on this Mercedes Vito. The air filter is used to protect the engine and its components from any dirt, debris or particles that can cause harm. We've been using air filters for many years, so what's special about this vehicle? Well, it requires programming. Let's look at that in more depth. The programming is mainly due to the ever-tightening emission control systems. As the vehicle is used, it will learn the airflow rates of the existing filter. When we replace it, that value will change immediately. This could have a knock-on effect for other emission control systems, such as EGR, that relies heavily on the airflow values. If that's incorrect, we could end up with excessive AdBlue usage, for example. Let's look at a heavily contaminated filter. It's clear to see how this could affect the airflow and why we should follow manufacturing servicing intervals. Right, let's start the replacement of the air filter. Firstly, locate the airbox and then remove the fixing using suitable tooling. Lift the lid and withdraw the filter. And then it's good practice to clean out the base of the airbox of any debris. Fit the new filter, ensuring it's located on all four sides. That's the filter fitted. Let's go and program it. So we're going to select the vehicle and then the model and then the year. On this one, 2016. It's a diesel and it's the 2.1 litre engine. Moving through our selection and hitting confirm. We can now search for the process that we want to do, which is air filter. So we can press that and we have replace air filter as an option. Quickly confirm the engine type and then we can hit start and we'll start the procedure. Replace air filter and we're going to run it from the top. Function complete, and that's it, job done. Thanks for watching. For more videos, be sure to follow us on social media or check out the Masters of Motion Hub. For more expert-led courses, please visit the Delphi Academy. See you next time.